Now we are going to see quickly how to install Google Analytics on your website. Google Analytics is a really powerful tool that provides a wealth of valuable insights which can be used to improve marketing efforts targeting specific audiences. It allows digital marketers to track visitor engagement through detailed reports about visits, time spent on each page, bounce rate, conversions, click through rates, referral sources, demographics, and much more. These reports provide essential information about user behavior, which enables marketers to tailor their strategy according to their target audience's interests, helping them create more targeted campaigns that engage users in the most relevant way. So let's get started. First, we have to create a Google Analytics account by visiting the google.com/analytics link. It will redirect you to the Google Marketing Platform. You have to click on Get Started Today, and you can see the analytics page is displayed. If you do not get this page directly, don't worry, it will ask you to sign in with the email account, and if you don't have an account, you can easily create one from the same page. After signing in, you will be redirected to the analytics page. Then we click on the Start Measuring button. Next step is to give an account name and you leave the recommended options checked. Next, it will ask you for property setup details. You fill it up with the necessary details like name, time zone, and currency. Then you have to fill up the business information by selecting the industry category, business size, and how you want to use Google Analytics in your business. After filling up the details, it is going to create the account and we get redirected to the analytics homepage where you have to choose from where you want to collect or measure data, that is from a website, an Android app, or iOS app. We take a website for example, then we have to give the website URL and name and we click on Create Stream. The web stream details page will be displayed after that. It has all the details to configure your analytics with your site, such as stream, name, URL, stream ID, and measurement ID. Now we have to place the tracking code inside the HTML document of your website because in order to collect and see data in Google Analytics, you will have to install the tracking code on your website. Most of the time there is an option of tracking code available, but if you cannot find it, you'll have to install it manually, which is also easy. For that, we go to the stream details, visit the last option, that is the Google tag, view tag instructions, where we select the install manually option and you can see the code displayed. We copy this code and place it inside the head section of the website. That's it. Now to confirm that the Google Analytics is working, open an incognito window, visit your website and then refresh the analytics page. You will see the active user on the web page if any. Google Analytics is an essential tool for any digital marketer or company looking to understand who is visiting their website or app and how best to reach out and engage with those users effectively. With data-driven insights from Google Analytics at hand, businesses can focus on creating highly targeted campaigns that are sure to capture the attention of the right people at the right time, leading to improved customer acquisition rates as well as higher conversion rates overall.